Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Godzilla tea. So I'm starting off with a little water in the bottom of my cup. I'm doing 2 scoops of CR7. I'm doing 1 scoop of Grape Stevia. Adding some ice. And then I'm going to put a Pomegranate Liftoff. In another cup, I got some more water and I'm adding a teaspoon and a half of raspberry tea. And then I'm adding a teaspoon and a half of blue raspberry stevia. I'm going to stir that up, finish top of my cup off with ice, and I'm going to pour it on top. Then I'm going to dust the top of the cup with some Blue Blast. And that's it. That's how you make the Godzilla tea. Thanks for watching.